Why auto backup matters.
Losing important files can cause stress and disrupt your work. Auto backup scripts help protect your valuable data by creating regular copies without manual effort. If your device is damaged or files are accidentally deleted, you'll have recent backups ready. Let's explore how you can set up a simple, reliable script to safeguard your files automatically.
Choosing what and where to backup.
Identify your most critical files, such as documents, photos, or project folders. Choose reliable backup destinations, like an external hard drive, USB stick, or a cloud storage folder. Consistency is key. Select locations that are always available when your backup runs. Planning what to backup and where to store it sets the foundation for a dependable system.
Getting started, tools you'll need.
On Windows, Notepad and Task Scheduler make scripting and automation straightforward. For Mac or Linux, Terminal and the cron utility are perfect tools. You'll write a simple script to copy files from your chosen folders to your backup location. These built-in tools mean you don't need to install anything extra to get started.
Sample script, backing up files.
A basic script copies files from source to destination, replacing old versions. For Windows, use a batch file with the xcopy command. On Mac or Linux, use a shell script with the cp or rsync command for efficient copying. Edit the script to match your folder paths. Always test the script with a few files to ensure it works safely.
Automating your backups.
Automation makes your backups truly hands-off. On Windows, use Task Scheduler to run your script daily or weekly. On Mac or Linux, set up a cron job for the same purpose. Regular scheduling ensures you always have the latest copies without needing to remember to run the script yourself.
Tips for safe and reliable backups.
Keep multiple backup copies in different locations for best protection. Occasionally check your backups to confirm files are up to date and accessible. Consider encrypting your backup if it contains sensitive data. By following these tips and maintaining your script, you can feel confident your important files are safe no matter what happens.